again, if you need to adjust anything.
Yeah, I'm good.
So straight away. Let's go straight to race. A little bit quicker. Oh yeah, I'll keep this on just for a second.
Yeah.
Normal for the area. So this should be faster. If it's not, I'd be really upset. Yeah, I could just feel that car was very down on power, as you could. Don't mind me. Yeah, you turn and do your thing. Don't mind me.
Sorry.
No. As I say, don't mind me at all. Turning the wheel's more important than changing the screen. Good.
Their tyres are a bit cold.
Yeah, they'll be, everything will be cold. But what we're going to do is a few runs up the dynamic straight, because the South Circuit's going to take much longer to warm the car up, so we'll do a few runs. We'll start off 50%, get some temperature in it, and then we'll get to 100% and it will transform into a warmed up AMG. So feel free, 50% gas straight down. Yeah, straight away, that's normal power.
Yeah, I can feel
the difference.
Yeah, 100%. Full brakes?
Medium squeeze. Again, just not to overheat the new tyres, that's it, beautiful.
Yeah, did you hear that? Completely different.
Yeah. Straight away I was like, no, the car's not right. I wondered if it would clear, but it didn't clear. This is much better. Good. Actually, MX-J, this reg, we know these cars by reg, so the MX-J is a pretty good car, so yeah, silver linings. So when you warm up the tyre, the more you slip it, the more you overheat the surface, and especially if you don't get cold temperature, you have a very hot surface, and then like no actual temperature in the tyre. So when you see people racing, when you see us racing, like F1 racing, they do a lot of brake warming because it brings up the whole core temperature of the wheel.
Up, yeah.
And that's always important. So same again, roll down, maybe 60% power. That's beautiful, that's perfect. Little more, excellent. And a harder squeeze on that, that's it, no way good, that's beautiful, perfect. And it's off again, beautiful.
Yeah, that feels a lot faster.
Absolutely different, isn't it? Yeah.
Tango 8, you're good to overrun by 5 minutes.
Sorry, that's Tango 8?
You're good to overrun for 5 minutes.
Thanks, mate. Perfect. We had a 4-minute turnaround, so that's perfect. We've gained a minute. Let's do it again, send it in. All feeling good?
Yeah, perfect.
We'll roll into full throttle now because, yeah, temperature's rising very fast. So feel free to roll straight into it. There you go, there's a good spin. There you go.
Completely different.
Bang. Ease off smooth. There you go. That's what it should feel like.
That's what it should feel like. I thought it was.
I started thinking, this isn't even wheel spin, that's a problem here. Oh yeah, EML, okay, Jesus, yeah, it's done. Very good. Feeling better?
Yeah, that's it. I know it's running now because I felt scared. Like, are you going to tell me to brake? Or
There's that rush in the stomach that just wasn't there.
Yeah.
It was obviously, I think I had about 400 horsepower.
Are we going here as well?
Yeah, left again, yeah. Do it one more time.
Sorry.
Oh, that's all. And we'll go from stop actually. I'd say let's do a launch control, but it's still cold, I won't do it. So do a normal takeoff. Again, roll in that gas.
Yeah, got it.
Feel
Copy
free.
that.
Really nice, really nice. And perfect, beautiful. You feel really crisp brake performance from the brand new tyres. Very good.
Oh, why is my car not like this?
Story of my life. Every car I work with is triple the horsepower of mine.
What's your daily?
I'll just do 118 diesel.
Yeah, okay, so you're the same as me then.
Yeah?
Basically, yeah, as in like the levels are completely different.
Oh yeah, God, yeah, no, I only had because of what I do for a living, spend my life driving a lot of beautiful cars. Head straight down. I don't just work for these guys, so I just spend my life in lovely cars. So for me to get any of these cars would break my back, so I just don't.
So, dream job though, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly.
That would be my absolute ideal.
Yeah. What do you do?
So I'm just working. I'm working part time, looking for a more permanent job. I would like to work in motorsport, but I mean, it's
You definitely have the passion for it.
100%, yeah, 101% I do. But it's just finding the right thing. Like something like this would be, I would love it, but.
Oh, of course.
Right, so wet
Feel free, yeah, head straight in. So we're going to head between these lines. You've been here before. How did you get on last time?
So what happened was we kept changing the yeah, so we kept changing that. So we started with it on, and we gradually turned it off.
Oh, okay, so the goalpost moving all the time.
Yeah, so it was kind of a bit off-putting because I was never really getting used to it.
Yeah, I understand you.
Yeah.
This is just off, full fat off. I only play with traction on a longer session, and as if someone wants to, it's a very specific thing to look at. So feel free to start by giving it a kick on and off. You don't have to, you definitely don't have to stamp it. A little harder. You have to find that spot where it starts to move. There it is. Really nice control. Beautiful, straight into a drift. Ah, there you go. I love it. Have you only tried this here before?
Yeah.
Oh, very good.
I've done a rally experience in a Subaru.
Very good.
But,
so that'll teach you limited grip situation very well.
Yeah.
That's it. Well done. Good handwork as well. No, that's good. There you got it. Just observing. Don't change anything. You got it.
I've learnt to kind of come off the throttle when I feel like it's just about to go.
Yeah, when you feel it over-rotating on you. Because rotation is for Christmas, sliding is for life. If you over-rotate, you'll spin in an instance.
Rotations for Christmas.
You can keep that one. one of my many pieces of rubbish I say.
Sorry, that
I'm glad.
made me laugh.
I'm glad.
Rotations for Christmas.
Most people don't get that. I just say it because like, it's just that's how my head works. I say silly things all the time. Love
Can we
it.
flash the lights?
Oh yeah. I've already been flashed by the sun. Can't see a thing. Oh, they can. Oh, I love it. This is beautiful. So, don't change anything in terms of what you're doing. Your eye wants to be constantly around the corner if it's not already. So you just want to constantly look where you want the car to go.
Yeah, I should know that because I should know that.
Not necessarily. I mean, like, why do you think you should know that?
I play a lot of rally games on Xbox, so like with rallying you need to be like 2 corners ahead. So yeah.
It's the same with even road driving for a different reason, off-roading for a completely different reason. Track driving and rally, very similar reasons. You need to be looking at your next landmark you want to get the car to go to.
Yeah.
So whether, especially in rally, because the car's always sideways moving, you have to look and aim and let your body naturally aim the car. Racing's a bit different because you're not always sliding, but you're at the limit of grip. But yeah, vision's everything. If you look out left now over there, you notice the car goes wider.
Left,
yes, and it's exactly the point that every inch of this situation you're controlling, because the car's sideways. If you drive in a straight line, it's easy. You just drive a straight line, look anywhere you want. But now that you're controlling everything, your brain needs to calculate where to put the car all the time.
Yeah.
So vision's key. And you can manipulate it. If you know you want to go wide, you have a look out wide. If you know you want to transition, you look at the S-bend and where you're going to flip the car, you know. So vision can be your absolute asset or the killer of your performance.
Yeah.
This is beautiful, easy peasy.
That's just sweet, mate. It's alright.
Yeah, great control. Turn around, do a little 180, see if you can do it around.
So when I do that, obviously I need to be throttle all the kind of, not a lot, but throttle when I'm turning and then counter steer.
So for a 180, kick the gas left and now let it spin very slowly. So turn right a bit, let it spin. Now straighten the wheel, dead straight. On the brake, on the brake, on the brake. So because the wheel's turned left, the nose rotates left. So left. We're going to go 180, going to go this way.
Oh, this way?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, sorry.
That's right. So when you want the car to stop spinning, when you straighten the wheel, once it finds the 180 degree, so, you know, going backwards basically, it'll straighten up.
Okay.
Dreamy. So yeah, same thing, vision and control the exact same way, it's just the other way around, which does feel weird.
Yeah.
You got it. You got it.
It's actually, it's alright if we go right again, because it felt easier going right.
That's why I was going to challenge you to make you go left.
Okay, no, let's do it then. No, I'm up for a challenge.
You're way too good going right. You'll get it. Just stick with it. That's the beautiful thing. Your brain's making calculations all the time.
Yeah.
It might feel difficult now, but suddenly, same method, looking around, you got it. Always challenge yourself in a car. Always more right. There you got it. Now tackle the gas. That's it. Yeah. Always challenge yourself in this kind of car situation because you'll just learn more and get better and better, quicker.
It's weird though. It seems a lot harder.
Yeah, it's weird.
I don't understand why. And it seems faster.
Because it's less comfortable.
Ah, that's it, okay.
Faster because it's less comfortable, it's not actually any quicker. Eyes that way, that's it.
Let's try it. Come on.
360? 360?
Yeah!
I love it. Oh, time flies. Shall we do one more lap on here, then head to the handling course.
We can go to handling course. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I did a lot better than I did last time, so.
You nailed it. You nailed it. Perfect.
Cool.
Before we head off, kick it again. That's ESP.
Oh, yes,
Gives
yeah.
that understanding of what it's doing in this situation, so kind of fair test.
I don't like that.
Yeah, exactly. It's the fun sponge, the anti-fun button. Very safe on the road, very boring here. Winner, that was really nice. Really good. Well
Yeah,
done.
thanks, man. That was sick.
Anytime.
Really enjoyed it.
What we love to do, teach people to do fun things in cars. We'll take a left coming up.
Probably need to let the tyres dry off a little bit before we go.
They're already in a good form. Yeah, they're fine, absolutely fine. Yeah, it's just water on there. The surface is silicone paint.
Oh, right,
So the water makes the silicone ridiculously slippery. So, drop the thumbs in 9 and 3 straight away. That's it. That's it. Start by the way, don't bother trying to go quick. You're going to go quick by method, by technique. So get to the outside before the corner, get into the apex, let the car back out again. The straighter you can make the car go around this corner, the faster the car can go. Because each degree on that steering wheel makes the car go a lot slower, exponentially slower. Feel a bit of ESP, it's normal. And bang, that's it. Easing off the brake smooth, tucking in. Try not to move the hands, which is not easy. Back out again, that's it. Keep them there. That's very much a motorsport method, tucking it into the inside.
It just feels more natural doing it, but I'll try and do it there. We're up for a challenge.
What you'll find is around these corners you will not keep up. It'll be very square steering, you'll throw away tyre performance, and you just won't have the control of the car. You won't be with the car will be ahead of you, if that makes sense. Just brake, tuck in smooth. Now look at the next cone. That's your next point, so in straight away. Now build the gas, pushing the car out to the outside. Use the space, use the space. Now straight line, hit the brake. There you go, ease off smooth, tuck in. Eyes up to the orange cone. And start to build very smoothly. Try not to kick in the ESP. That's it. Out. Good. Out the cones. Bang. Start to ease off smooth. In you go. And back out again. Use the space. Nice little brake, tucking in smooth. Now to keep it tight. In the centre, little brake again, tuck in. You can brake and turn. It's called trail braking. If you haven't heard of it already.
Yeah. Oh, seagull.
Yeah, that's it. It's the last one as well. Very brave. The way trail braking works is if you think of grip like units of 10, well, you have 10 units, that's it, you run out of grip.
Yeah.
So if you're using 8 to steer, you can use 2 to gas. Hit the brake hard, start to blend off to give units to steering, turn it in, back out to the outside. That was wide, that's all good. We'll get the vision back in, eyes at the cone, back out, use the space. So keeping the car tight there still. Bang. And try not to use the exit of this too much because it off cambers and it actually gives the car more of a chance to slide. That's better. That's better. In, tight, keep it tight, patient on the throttle. Into the centre between 2 corners. In tight. Eyes round, looking for the orange cone. Don't mind Seagull, he's going to stay there.
Seagull, if I hit you, not my problem.
Yeah, that's a big button as well, isn't it? Nice brake, tuck in, eyes in. Straight through, lift, turn, and now build the gas again. Nice, out. That's better. Hit the brake. There you go. Very good. Ease it out. Push out smooth. In. That's all good. Well done. Out. There you go. Bang. Ease off smooth. You can brake a bit harder there. You notice you're not anywhere near ABS.
Yeah.
You can get closer to ABS. So that's it. Centre. Lift. Always make the entry. If you go in too hot, you spend the whole corner trying to get the car slowed down and turned in, so you come out slower. Patience is key with track driving. Get it in, means you can get on the gas earlier. In left, off the gas, get it in, now touch the gas and build it. There you go. Hit the brake, bang, hit it. Ease off smooth, tuck in, wait, now touch the gas, out, open the wheel, push it out, in, and literally, open the wheel. Straight low hard, much faster. Bang. Ease off smooth, in you go. There you go. Beautiful. The only reason that was sketchy is because it was on the white line.
Yeah.
You felt that little bit of movement. Yes, all good. Nice brake. Yeah, straight wheel is a key to a fast car, because in a straight line, how fast will the car go? Yeah. Even 1 degree less is beneficial. That's it. Brake, tuck in, eyes in. Over, other side, that's it. Eyes round, build, smooth. tickle the gas now. Tickle, tickle, tickle. There you go. That's great. Tuck in, eyes around. To build.
Yeah, we just move
Orange code. Blue code. In you go. Gas out. Push it. Open the wheel. There you go. Brake. Eyes in. Eyes in. There you go. You made it into the apex properly this time. Better shape of corner as well. Vision. Push it out smooth. Hit the brake. Really nice. Really nice. You feel that performance?
Yeah.
You pull it back to speed. Think of the brake as pulling a car in and the gas is pushing it out. Gas too soon, you'll push wide, so that tells you what the gas is really doing. The brake is pulling you in, pull it in, now push it out. There you go. Now brake again, nice tickle on the brake, pull it in. Now touch the gas, maintain, now push it out. That's how you should think of these pedals. They're not fast and slow pedals.
Yeah.
Push out smooth, that's it. Well done, really well done. How's it feel?
Yeah, sweet.
Doing a really nice job. So in it straight away, lift, now push. Very good, very good. Bang, pull it back. There you go, very, very good braking. Brilliant. Build it up, so really smoothly build it. Now, there you go, well done. That little movement off the wheel, perfect. Bang. Eyes in, tuck it in, eyes out. Eyes in. Eyes in, eyes in, that's it, look around, that's it, you got it. Legend. Very, very good. We're going to take a left out of here. So yeah, I'll take a left out of here. You legend, that's beautiful.
Oh, lovely stuff.
You enjoy it?
Yeah.
Well done. We take a right. We've maximised that building. Beautifully done. You enjoy it?
Yeah, lovely. Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Pleasure, well done. Very good driving. Did you say you sim race? Or you raced?
No, only I should. I think
you
I really should.
You'd
Yeah.
be very, very good at it. You'd be very, very good at real driving.
No, I appreciate that.
No, genuinely.
You got any jobs going?
So I wish. You had a lot of experience doing this job.
Yeah,
It's
that was
just chicken and egg, isn't it? How'd you get it? Careful. Roundabout.
with it, all that performance driving. Don't even know. On the bloody road.
Normal, boring roads all of a sudden. It's all good. It's the buzz of coming off a track environment.
Yeah,
Like,
I don't know what I'm doing
anymore. Buzz, adrenaline. Yeah, it's chicken and egg with this kind of work. They want you to have loads of experience, but how do you get experience? That's why you end up racing, and then from racing you end up doing this kind of work.
Yeah, that's the problem. To get into racing is expensive. And,
So much money.
it would be the ultimate dream. Where do we want?
Let's pop this. We're going to do a loop and pop it curbside.
Just here.
Yeah, let's
Yeah,
just
sorry,
roll
do
around.
the recording on the same membership.
Can we, if it's alright, put it into neutrals, give it a blip of the throttle for my mum recording?
We're not allowed, but we'll do a little bit.
I'll do it very quickly.
We'll get away with it.
That way, mum.